Ooh, hello, welcome back to Northwest Auto Adventures. Thanks for joining us again. Ooh, it's a hot one today. So we are picking back up where we left off on putting that exhaust back in and placing the cats on the Dodge pickup truck. So, yeah. If you tuned in for the first part of this, that was real fun. So this will be part two. We're just gonna put that thing back together. This is a whole different day. I had to take a day after that. That was butt kicking right there. All right, so yeah, thanks for joining me again. Do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Let me know what you guys want to see in the comments, and yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so brand new cats, got them all sort of half put together. We're gonna get right to it. Gonna get this thing back in here. Very fun, very fun. Same tools going back together. Hopefully you guys can see a little bit better here. Okay, so interesting part is gonna be getting this sucker back in here. For sight. Or this. Interesting. Slide this apart real quick. This one comes in a two-piece setup, so we've only got the one half to handle at the moment. So you can do this sort of half and half. Interesting. These replacement cat setups coming in two pieces. So I'm gonna try to fit this thing up here real quick. See how it fits with this other pipe before we get too far along. Curious. In it. Oh, okay, cool. That's what I was wondering. Okie dokie. Oh, and that's gonna be down. So this is where we're trial and error in a bit here. Just to kind of see what goes where. Yeah, I had to come up with some kind of janky bolts setups for this. Because I found the exhaust collar. I didn't find the bolts for something. No way. Okay. Oh, cool. Okay, so we can sort of set back this way. So far. Okie doke. Oi! There it goes.
Can you help?
Mm-mm.
Hold anything?
We got it. I'm just gonna get this in here. Ooh, you know what? I don't know what we're gonna need here. Okay. We need a little lubrication. That's tight and very sooty. Okay, well, best I got some brake lube, so that's what we're gonna use. Hopefully this doesn't stink up to high hell. We'll see. Well, it's a super awkward spot. Yeah, maybe my left hand. Maybe this doesn't. There's no good way to do this. Damn it, dude. That is really frustrating. It just moves. It doesn't hammer together. Well, it's worth a try.
What?
Yeah, well, it's worth a try. What the fuck? Why is this being so ridiculous? It's not be this fucking hard at all. So I need a fucking lift. Sick of doing this shit on the ground. welcome back. Okay, so after a long hiatus, went back to the drawing board, rethought that all. We did figure out what to do about the exhaust thing, so I ended up cutting a big strip out of it, and then peeling it back, got the exhaust pipe in there, and then I just welded it back up, put the clamp back on there. So I'm gonna give you a final tour of what's what here, but I got barely any battery left, so hopefully we'll make it. Okay, so cats are back in, as you can see. Cat's installed, set it back on, got that guy installed, so we're good there. And then yeah, my ugly boogery welding here. Whoa! So, not too bad, but we got it back together. It works. Yeah, it's not the prettiest, but we'll roll it. There you have it. So, whew, that was a long haul. That was really frustrating. These things happen. Exhaust pipe parts are genuinely usually pretty much a pain in the butt to get apart. So, yeah, whew, that was a fun one. Again, another tough one. This truck has been kicking my butt. So, yeah. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't. It helps us out. We're a growing channel, small channel. So, whew, definitely appreciate you being here. And yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys thought. If you guys had better ideas on how to get that done without having to cut that apart, I'd love to hear your ideas in the comments. That was rough. So, yeah. Anyway, thanks again. I appreciate it. Have a good rest of the day.